Ubak Prestone tensong MLA ke National People's Party bersebut Menteri Rangba berepet yang ketenat kampo yang ke Sarkar MDA itu hakalai poi tarik risau arja arflai la syajit benbat yang kam komu state president jonga party hajalla Meghalaya. Kani ke jingpen kamti ya kani ke kam Ubak Prestone tensong kadai hadirin bau Dr. WR Kharlukhi ula no ya ke kam. Ubak Prestone udai ru hakajo kopor National Vice President jonga party kabau Dr. WR Kharlukhi pat udai ru MP ke yang dorbar thau ain Raja Sabha na ke jalla. Ya ke jingelang ha office try kam ke parti hala shumia la penya dau Konrad ke sangma National President jong ke parti ubdai ru menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya haringkat ke jinga dan lang National General Secretary James ke sangma ki menteri hak sarkar MDA tu ki bere ki MLA ke NPP ki MLA berim ki MDC nolor ki waipat.
I am happy to inform you that Shri Prestone Tinsong will be appointed as the new president of the National People's Party. I would also like to take this opportunity to officially hand over this appointment letter and notification to him.
I'm very happy to be with this party, and I think I have served for 16 years as the president. I think it's long enough, and God has blessed us that in spite of the struggle that we're going together. I remember when our sir was only a youth president. Now today he was a chief minister, and I'm sure, I told sir that if he really know how to plan and strategize, we'll get a third term without any doubt. And under the leadership of Prestone is a veteran of many battles. From 2003, sir, you have started your career, and 5 terms you will be continuing. So I'm very happy, and well, I'm still there as an MP to work together with the party.
What are we to do from now? Because we understand Dr. Kyrwoh has been there for 16 plus years. So he has already requested so many times to the Honorable National President that he wanted to relieve from the post of President. So we were trying to find out ways and means and who will be the next President of Meghalaya State Unit. But ultimately, our Honorable Chief Minister and also National President, he ultimately convinced me, said that you have to take over. So thank you so much, sir. Under your guidance, I'm very sure we'll be able to again continue working, serving the people of the state in Meghalaya, and especially now, again, we are here in the midst of the challenges that we have in proving ourselves that we are here and people of the state, and the aspiration of all of them is to see that we deliver the goods in the right way. So we are here. The government is also led by us, by the Honorable Chief Minister. So my only request to all the leaders, very soon we will reconstitute the committee, and not only in the state level, I would like to see that we strengthen in each and every district throughout the state, because we really wanted to make sure that our party goes down up to the grassroots level. No one should say that NPP is only in Shillong, in Tura or Kyrwoh. It should be to the grassroots. And we will jointly work together. And as I said to you, we will immediately reconstitute the committee in the state level, and also I'm very sure very soon we'll be able to even reconstitute in the district level as well as the block level wherever is necessary. So friends, thank you so much. With full of humility, I take these challenges, I take this responsibility. We will work and very soon we are going to face the election again in 2024. One is election MDC and number 2 is election MP. So these are the two challenges that we have before us. So I would request that we will work hard, tirelessly. Let us make sure that NPP again in the coming election comes back to power, be it in the district council and also be it in the election MP, both the constituency, Shillong and Tura MP constituency, we should come out successfully. So that is what we wanted to. And sir, you please be with us always. And of course, I would like to indicate in advance that reformation will take place immediately. We need to really reform, and I would also request that all those members, senior members, wherever assignment is made, let us work hard. And my dream is, number one, we would like to complete the office, the party office. I think that is the priority for us. Let us complete the party office at the earliest possible, and we will be able to function our office properly, maybe from the permanent office which is under construction.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm
son.
already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup,
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.